Bamboo is an amazingly versatile plant, and with thousands of species and cultivars to choose from, you can find a variety for virtually any situation. From the oppressive heat, as we have here in Dubai, to the extreme cold. From towering giants to dwarf ground covers, there is a bamboo to meet your needs. So, grab a cutting, propagate some bamboo, buy a bamboo, grow, raise, but do it nevertheless. He loves chewing on grass. And Mufasa is always in the frame for a reason. And this time, it's no different. He's here to let us know that bamboo is in fact a part of the grass family. Let's take it a little further. What is a bamboo? It is the fastest growing plant on the planet. It can grow up to 3 feet in height in 24 hours under appropriate climate conditions. Unlike other woody plants, bamboo reaches maturity after only 3 to 5 years. It releases more oxygen, in fact 30% more, into the atmosphere and absorbs more carbon dioxide compared to other plants. Hey plant lover, welcome back to my channel and great to have your audience once again. So what have you been up to? I'm sure life is getting back to normality. However, this pandemic has impacted everyone in the worst possible manner. The silver lining though is we are getting used to the fact that nature is all powerful. And the best thing we can do is work with it and not against it. On that note, let us grow some bamboo. To be more specific, Bambusa multiplex. Now let's understand what Bambusa multiplex looks like. This bamboo forms a medium-sized clump with slender stems and dense foliage. This bamboo is suitable for hedges and live fences since the stems and foliage form a dense growth that create an effective barrier. The height of the stems under ideal conditions is about 10 feet, so you know that it's a medium-sized bamboo. Propagation is through rhizome offsets and rooted stem cuttings, which obviously we'll learn in this video. Why should you grow bamboo if the reasons stated earlier are not enough? Here are some more. Bamboo is a very useful plant and it serves a wide variety of purposes. Fodder, firewood, basket, table use, shelf, housing material, house decoration, paper, improved ecology, soil erosion control. Is that enough? Good. Very important, cutting should be in the second year with many developed main branches, healthy, exposed to the sun without aerial roots. Make sure all these conditions are satisfied when you go and get the cutting. Rooting medium. Tap water. Bamboo loves to start roots in water, hence a preferred way to root a cutting. But when I say bamboo loves to start roots in water, it doesn't mean it would always love water. Propagation and best time to start a bamboo cutting? I'm sure this is one question every one of us needs to know the answer to, right? Bamboos can be propagated by the use of any of the following: seed, rhizome, stem cutting, or mound layering. February-March is the best time for propagation, but it's not the only time to start a cutting. Enhanced sand content works great, although no specific soil requirements as such for a bamboo plant. So yeah, don't worry about the soil mix too much. But before I take your leave, I got to bust a couple of myths. The first one is bamboo does not grow well in water or saturated soil. Let's just say, or maybe you're thinking of lucky bamboo. Those short, segmented cuttings you see growing in a vase of water. Well, don't be misled. Lucky bamboo grows fine in water, but it is not a true bamboo. It is actually a type of Dracaena, an indoor decorative, sometimes referred to as corn plant. Second, bamboo will not survive in a pond setting or in standing water. Keep in mind, even if you're growing what's called water bamboo, it cannot grow in standing water without drainage. If it doesn't rain within about 5 days, the bamboo will probably not survive. But if you're looking for bamboo that can grow in a very wet soil near the edge of a river where the water levels can rise and fall, there may be a few options. The best strategy is to plant the bamboo somewhere near the wet area and let it spread naturally. Naturally is the perfect word for bamboo and water body. If the main root ball is on a higher ground in a well-drained area, the bamboo will survive, even if some stems and rhizomes wander too far and drown. I had a great time making this video, raising this Bambusa multiplex. I hope you also enjoyed this journey, and if you did, don't forget to leave a comment and yes, like the video. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, and I'll see you again with another exciting video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.